everybody, my name is Walid. So in this video you're going to learn some amazing stuff. Number one, you're going to find out why people hire photographers. It's not the reason that you think. And number two, I'm going to show you exactly a new trick that you can do that's going to make you stand out to your clients. But one of the things that I do that really helps me find unique locations for photo shoots and helps me think and helps me find unique textures and ideas and everything for my shoots is I actually wander to different places. So I always go around, I walk different places, I try to find what's unique to me. This is pretty rad. So here we go. We are at an airport and I don't know how legal this is, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, but that's the runway. This is where I'm at. But this is so cool. Look, this is an airplane gas station. Listen, in this video, you're gonna learn how to stand out to your clients in a way that nobody else can, nobody else really does. And I want you guys to try this trick. It's easy, and it's actually the preferred method of sticking out to your clients, okay? Now I'm gonna tell you 5 reasons why people hire photographers, what they're looking for, and what makes you stand out above the rest. Number one, a lot of people think it's for your camera. So I wanna go ahead and I wanna squash that right now. Nobody is hiring you because of your camera. No one's hiring you because of your lens or your tripods. Why they're hiring you? Remember, we are in the age of throw a rock and hit a photographer. If you guys are wondering why I'm at an airport, I'm gonna tell you exactly why. But I'm gonna keep talking first as to why photographers get hired, what clients look for, and how you can absolutely stand out. Okay, so number one, people are hiring you for your personality. They're not hiring you for your camera, they're not hiring you for any of your gear. I promise you, that's never gonna be a reason why somebody hires you or somebody of value that wants to hire you. And I've never had anybody in my career ask me what kind of cameras I have. I've never had J-Lo ask me, I've never had Usher ask me, I've never had anybody from NFL or CBS or anybody else that has ever hired me ask me what kind of camera I have. So that's the first thing that we want to put to bed, is the myth that your camera is everything. People generally want to work with others that are pleasant. They want to work with people that match their personality skills. And these are very, very long days and long projects. So they want to work with people that are going to make the experience wonderful for them. Now, keep in mind, if there are so many photographers, how are you going to stand out? So many people have the same type of photographs, but nobody can ever be you. So you want to go ahead and show your personality. Can you stick out? Can you stick out above the rest? Are you going to be pleasant to work with? And is it going to be something that's going to make everybody look good, make everybody be happy? If you cannot be pleasant, nobody wants to work with you, no matter how good of equipment you have or how good of a portfolio you have. The second reason why people hire photographers is because they want to know, can you lead a set? Can you lead the models into being in the right position? Can you lead the crew, the producers, the hair, the makeup, the stylist, the catering, the studio manager? Can you lead the agency executives and anybody else on set? Can you be that point person and still take a beautiful picture? Because if you can, you are going to go ahead and stand out above the rest, above other photographers any day. I'm going to go underneath the wing because the wind is a little bit lighter here. So the third reason why some photographers get jobs and other ones don't, people want to know, can you deliver not only on time, can you deliver ahead of schedule? Can you deliver under budget, and can you exceed everyone's expectations? That's what they're looking for. They don't care about your camera, they don't care about your lenses, they don't care about your gear. Number four, why certain photographers get jobs over other ones is because of reputation. Reputation is everything. People want to know, are you honest? Are you going to make me look good? Are you going to deliver on time? Are you safe? Are you going to be good for me? Are you going to make me look good? Reputations are built over years, but they come down overnight. So you want to make sure that your reputation is solid. So you're probably wondering, why the hell is Walid at an airport? I'm going to tell you why I'm at an airport and why it makes sense. Now, of course, the fifth reason why people hire certain photographers over others is actually the work. You know, sometimes we forget it is about the work, and it's about what you can provide the client. So what they're looking for is consistency. They're looking for the master. They're not really looking for the jack of all trades, or at least the clients that like to pay your fair wages. They're not looking for jack of all trades. They are actually looking for the master. So those are the 5 reasons why some photographers get the job and some of them are just left behind. It is not about your camera, it's not about your lens, it's not about your lights or your gear. It's how you use them, and it's more about the person holding that camera than the actual camera body itself. Now that we discussed the 5 main reasons why some photographers get jobs and other ones don't, I want to tell you one simple trick that's going to put you ahead of everybody else. It's going to put you on the map, and it's going to instantly sell you just like that to your clients. Alright guys, so by now you're probably wondering what the heck I'm doing at an airport. I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm doing here. This place is one of my favorite places, only because as a kid I wanted to be a pilot. Actually before that I wanted to be an airplane, and then I realized I couldn't be one. I wanted to be a pilot. I've always had this special fascination with airplanes, these metal birds that fly through the sky, and I'm amazed every single time I'm on them. So wait a minute. So if everybody is hiring you, for your personality, what you can accomplish, they want to be around somebody pleasant, wouldn't it make sense that you actually leave them a video instead of a whole long paragraph or essay about you, right? That would probably make a whole lot more sense. So this is what I'm suggesting, and this is what I've actually seen work with the students in my masterclass. I want you guys to make a video, because if people are hiring you for you, let's give them you. Let's cut out the whole long essay. Let's not scare them. Let's not overwhelm them. Let's actually give them a video that they can watch. They can sense who you are. They can make a decision, and you have a much higher chance of actually hooking in your ideal client. Remember, that is our goal, to find the ideal client. So what would make a good, successful video? I'm going to tell you, every good thing has 5 parts. Who, what, when, where, and why. 5 things. If you know those 5 things, you are golden. So I'm gonna go down the list real fast, and I'm gonna kind of do a mock video at an airport so you guys get an idea. Go ahead and actually do some of them. Number 1, who? Here's one. Hey everybody, my name is Walid Azami. Thank you so much for visiting my website, in particular the About Me page. Obviously you want to find out a little bit about me, and this video is going to show you who you could be working with. Number 1, I'm a commercial photographer, I'm a music video director, I direct branded content commercials, and I'm also a creative director where I help brands go from one level to the next. Simple enough, right? So here's the second W, what? So here's an example of what I do. So I'm a commercial photographer. I've done record covers for people like Usher and Sierra. I've directed music videos for Tamar Braxton, Mariah Carey, Christina Aguilera, for TV spots like NFL, CBS, Volkswagen, HP Computers. I've done a lot of branded things. Look, right off the bat, if you are looking for a commercial director, I'm your guy. If you're looking for a commercial photographer, I'm your guy. You can trust me. If you're looking for someone to photograph your wedding, I'm not your guy. If you're looking for someone to photograph maybe just a headshot, I'm not your guy. This video tells you right off the bat who I am and my ideal clients that I'm looking for. So here's the third one, where? So I'm a commercial photographer out of Los Angeles, California, but I'm often in New York, other parts of the country, and I've also traveled around the world for my work. Simple enough. That's all that it is. Now they know I'm not in Phoenix, Arizona, but I could get to Phoenix, Arizona if it's the right job. When is a little bit tricky, so you can use when any which way. When did I start photography? You could talk about when you decided to go commercial, or when you decided to master the genre that you're in, or when you are available, or when is the best time that they could reach you. The same thing with even who. You could talk about who you are and who you want to work with. You could talk about what you photograph, and you could talk about what you want to photograph. All of this is going to be very conversational. You're talking to the camera, very, very simple. Finally, the fifth one is the why, which is so important. Why do they need to hire Walid Azami? Why do they need to hire you? That why is also why I'm at the airport. The reason why I'm at the airport is because I have this fascination with finding new things. I have this fascination with being a pilot one day, maybe, right? Hopefully. I have this fascination with discovering new spots, seeing new things that other people are not shooting at. I have that kind of fascination. So that is why I'm here at the airport. It's not a really huge reason. It's more of, this is a spot that I love. I'm fascinated by these machines, big and small, and it tells them a little bit more about me. Remember, I told you, they're hiring people for their personalities. Now, there are some people that are gonna watch this and go, this dork walks around an airport? That's not my guy. And that's cool. I'm not your guy. I don't want to be hired by you. You don't want my services. And there's nothing wrong with that. But there will be that person that gets it. And they're like, I like this guy. He walks around different places. He discovers different places. He's not really afraid to try new things. He's somebody I want to work with on this job, on my client. He's somebody I want to bring into my project. So it doesn't even have to be so big. You could be walking in a park. You could be sitting at your desk, at your kitchen counter. It does not matter. Show them who you are. Show them what makes you happy. Show them what makes you stick out. The video doesn't have to even be very long. The whole video should be no more than 2 minutes. Just cover your 5 W's, sprinkle a few extra tips about you, and let them hire you for you. Remember, nobody is hiring you for your camera, your equipment. They are hiring you for you. So you might be wondering what else you can throw in the video that gives it a little bit of flavor, a little bit more about you. Tell them what you like. Tell them that's why I want you to sit at your kitchen counter. I came to an airport. You could walk around the park. You could be sitting there with your dog or your children or whichever other hobbies you have. It's not about being that creative. It's just about being yourself. So this should actually be so much easier because I'm asking you to be you. So I'm at an airport. I love this. I go jogging around an airport. I have no idea if that's legal. It scares the crap out of me every time I do this, and someone's gonna stop me. But I don't care. I love it. I love this area. The right client is gonna see that. The right client is gonna be, this is the kind of guy I wanna work with as a creative director. He thinks outside the box. This is the kind of person I wanna use as a director or a photographer. Show them who you are. Show them what you stand for. Show them what's important to you, and watch how you stand out. It's gonna blow away anything that is a written about me or about us page. Tell them what you do. Show a little video. The video can only be 2 minutes long. That's so simple. Watch your bookings go up. So I want you guys to try this. I want you guys to put yourself out there. Just be very informal. Walk around with your iPhone and just make a simple video. People are hiring you for you. They are never hiring you for your camera. All right, guys. Okay, guys, so if you are a photographer that wants to build your photography business, that you actually want to start booking more clients, make money from this, and take it full time, I've got a free workshop for you that if you sign up right down below this video, there's a free sign up for a workshop that I'm teaching online. I have 3 requests from you. I'm gonna try to get it to you real fast before the airplane comes. Number 1, make sure you sit somewhere quiet and take good notes. Number 2, bring a piece of paper and a pen, take great notes. And number 3, make sure that your internet connection is fast. I'm giving you guys a lot of information, and I actually thought about charging for this course, but I'm not. It's a free gift to you. I want to help you guys find your ideal clients, which will help you advertise better, which will help you post better, design your galleries better, market better, write your captions on social media better, and all in all, relate to your clients so your ideal client finds you. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'm gonna get out of here. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I am gonna go home now. Done exploring. By the way, that was a cop behind me. He was watching me. Nothing illegal about being here, I don't think.